What if I told you that every story you have is a masterpiece waiting to be unveiled? Imagine stepping into a gallery where each tale is hidden behind a curtain, waiting for someone to pull it back. Why are these stories concealed? Because they were never told the way they truly deserve to be. Now picture this. You reach out and pull back that curtain. Suddenly the light hits your story differently. The emotions become sharper, the details richer, and the message clearer. People don't just glance at it, they stop, they feel, they connect. This is the magic of AI-driven storytelling. It's not about writing your story for you, it's about revealing it in its most powerful form. It's about taking what's inside you and showcasing it to the world in a way that resonates. Let's talk about BizBoost. This isn't just a platform, it's your growth partner. We help you amplify your voice, transforming raw moments, scattered thoughts, and untapped brilliance into narratives that captivate and inspire. Every story is beautiful and unique. The real question is, how will you tell yours? Are you ready to step into the spotlight? Let's create something unforgettable together. So what's holding you back? Share your thoughts in the comments and let's start this journey of storytelling today.